Hello everyone. I am Dr. Mohana, working as postgraduate student in Pediatrics Department of Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Today it is my pleasure to be here to talk about World Cerebral Palsy Day, which is conducted every year on October 6th. Today, families which are affected with cerebral palsy and organizations which support them, they get together to spread the awareness of cerebral palsy by sharing the stories, conducting events and wearing the color green. There are about 17 million people across the world living with cerebral palsy. All around the world, people and communities have had to adapt to the big changes caused by COVID-19. People with cerebral palsy have also mastered to deal with those changes. And this year's theme to cerebral palsy individuals is to make your mark and let everyone know how you adapt and innovate every day. So, what is cerebral palsy? Cerebral palsy is a complex disability which affects the posture and movement of individuals, which is permanent and non-progressive. The impact of cerebral palsy can range from weakness in one limb to total loss of voluntary movement of the whole body. 1 in 4 children affected with cerebral palsy cannot talk, 1 in 4 cannot walk, 1 in 4 have epilepsy, and 1 in 2 have intellectual disability. And no two people with cerebral palsy are affected in the same way. They face issues with hearing, speech, vision, seizures, and maintaining balance and posture. Coming to the types of cerebral palsy, there are mainly 3 types of cerebral palsy. One of them is spastic type, which is the most common type, seen in 75% of the affected children, in which the muscles are tense and contracted. The other is ataxic type, in which there is poor sense of balance. And the other is dyskinetic type, in which there will be involuntary movements of the limbs, head and eyes. Coming to the cure of cerebral palsy. It is a permanent disability and there is no permanent cure for the disease. So what we can do is we can provide them with as much as support possible with their daily activities. So finally, our vision today is to see that the children and adults affected with cerebral palsy have equal rights, access and opportunities as anyone else in the society. Thank you.